Well, coming up October 22nd, the California Club is having their dinner and dance. And today we have on Susan Wheeler and Tom Nash from that club, and going to tell us all about that and the California Club in general. So welcome. Good to see you both again.
Thank you. Wonderful to be here.
Yeah. So let's, people move in quite often here, all these different clubs. And one of the benefits is there's so many different ones to join and find out about. And the California Club is one of them that perhaps people are not sure what they're about.
Well, we are very unique. And Tom, would you like to tell them a little bit?
You wouldn't really know what it's about because of the name.
Right.
It didn't start off being a dinner dance club, but that's what it's become over the years. We're one of the oldest clubs. We're 53 years old this year. And it started out as, unless you had lived in California for 35 years, you couldn't join the California Club.
That's right.
But now anybody can join the club because we're all Californians now, after all.
Right.
We live in California. So it's a dinner dance club 9 months of the year. We have what we like to call the best night of the month. And we have, we think, a fabulous evening with dancing, entertainment, and a good dinner.
So Susan, is this every month or just certain time?
No, this is 9 months out of the year.
Okay.
And our season starts in September. We just finished our first event. We skipped December, and then our last event of the year is in June.
Okay.
So 9 months out of the year, and each month we have a different fabulous entree, lobster, prime rib, fabulous food. We have a dance band. We have featured entertainment. And we have wine is served with dinner, and we encourage people to get dressed up to wear their finest. And that's really what makes us a bit different than many of the other clubs in Laguna Woods, because we think of ourselves as a nightclub. Think of the, Copacabana or El Morocco years ago, where it's a night out to be with your friends, have a fine dinner, cocktails before dinner, dancing with a dance band, fabulous featured entertainment. So that's why we are different.
We are.
And coming up this time around, what's your entertainment going to be about?
Our entertainment is a man by the name of Chandelier.
Well, it's a female impersonator, Chandelier. And it's a wonderful, it's an exciting performance where he will be, the theme for the event is Phantom of the Night. And Chandelier is what he goes by. We're doing his interpretation of Phantom of the Opera.
Okay.
And he will do, the tragic, disfigured man who roams the Paris Opera House, who falls in love with Christine. But he does both parts in a very, very moving, touching performance.
Okay.
But on top of that, he does 6 other characters as well. Now, his repertoire is not limited. He's going to do Liza Minnelli, Lucille Ball, and I'm not sure who the other ones he's doing. I know he's done in the past David Bowie and Lady Gaga and different people. So we're waiting to be surprised to see which other performers he brings to us this month.
So is this done during the dinner or afterwards? And if people get up and dance while he's singing?
We have a fairly strict schedule that we follow.
Right.
Where?
We start with an hour of dancing about at 5:30.
Dancing with cocktails.
Yes. Okay.
And cocktails, right. And then we have dinner catered by Yolanda. And then we have entertainment for about 45 minutes. Then we have another hour of dancing.
Oh, wow.
So Chandelier will be on for 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then after that, he leaves and we have our dance band to finish up the evening, which ends at 9:30.
So it's quite an evening.
It's
then.
quite an evening, and we can handle up to about 375 people at the event. So typically it's around 350, 360, something like that.
Yeah, wow, that's a lot.
It is a big event, and people do mark their calendar. It is called the best night of the month, and where people get dressed up and have invite all their friends. We have tables of 10. And
for the upcoming event, we're suggesting either come in costume, which is perfectly acceptable, or come in what we're calling dark
Dark, dark, spooky, romantic.
Okay.
So black and lace and
so
red.
Susan
and
is dressed appropriately.
Okay. So a little bit for the season.
a little bit
Yeah.
for the season.
Now, you know, you sent me some information here, and what I was wondering is what the cost of this and how they go about signing up for it if somebody is not a club member.
If you're not a club member, well, you go ahead, Tom.
Yeah, well, it's $33 for the event if you're not a club member. Club members save $5, that makes it $28.
Okay.
And you can get online, video, not video club, wrong club, California Club of Laguna Woods Village .com.
Okay.
And get all the information there.
Okay, very good. So this is October 22nd, and if you'd like to join them, it's over at Clubhouse 5. It's a Tuesday night, right?
Right.
Tuesday.
Always at
and it's at 5:15 it begins, so it sounds like a full evening.
It's a very
at
full
least, what,
evening.
3 hours or more,
It
right?
is, exactly. One thing I should mention as well is if you become a member, you get a discount on the event. Instead of $33, it's only $28 if you become
Okay.
a member. And with membership, you get our wonderful membership directory, which has not only a list of all the events coming up for the season, but you also get, as I said, a discount on events, $5
All right.
you save every month. And you also get a priority seating, which means if we are sold out, members do get first chance, non-members. Yeah.
All right, very good. Great to have you both on.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and sounds like a lot of fun. And good evening.
Looking forward
It
to
will
it.
be.
All right, you take
Thanks.
care,
Bye-bye.
and we'll be right back.